Hello YouTube. Today I'm gonna be playing sword fighting tournament right now, and so yeah, I've bought some stuff on it like the Crimson Katana and the Crimson Katana and the Katana and sword set and VIP. And that's all. So look, so there's and random sword, and so yeah, and right now my screen's glitched out a bit, because up here it doesn't have my name like it usually does. So if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe and leave a like, cause yeah, and random sword VIP thing here, it makes it gives you a random sword each day, or like 3 hours or something, and yeah. Hi guys, wait, what? So this is my random sword. This is from the VIP, and so is this, and this is my Crimson Katana. And that guy is the Sandwich Eater. I just beat the Sandwich Eater. What? Oh wait, no I didn't. That's the Sandwich Eater. Then who did I just beat? Oh, I just beat this guy with 7 wins. That weird dog thing. My sword! Oh wait, it's glitched out again. I gotta take this one out. And then 6. Toy. Oh wait, where did you go? Ah! Nope. Huh. So yeah, this is just a video of me doing just playing this, no hacks or anything. Leave in the comments if put in the comments if you want me to do a hack where my legs go in the ground, or speed hack. And you can't do the speed hack on this game, it will just shut down. And super jump hack. So yeah. I will be back soon. I just gotta do something. My channel, yeah, you know it. I'm gonna vote the Sandwich Eater, although I am versing him, which I'll probably get wasted because he probably has DH. And nope, yep, he has DH. Dark Heart. Oh, and Venom. Firebrand's better. I could pwn you if I had Firebrand. Okay, I'm gonna go play a game and show you some no-clip hacks. Yeah, so that's the end of this one. So be sure to subscribe and leave a like. Goodbye.